Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by signing into your Microsoft account or Outlook app, enter your email and password, then complete any multi-factor prompt. Once signed in, open Account Settings. This is where your contact info lives, so you can update the number itself. Make sure your mobile can receive SMS or authenticator codes before proceeding. This avoids being locked out. Now navigate directly to Security or Profile Contact Info so you're ready for the next steps. Once in Security or Profile Contact Info, choose Add a Phone and type the new number including country code. You'll receive a verification code by SMS or app. Enter it promptly to confirm ownership. After verification, check that the new number is marked as primary or verified so it receives security alerts and resets. If changing via the Outlook mobile app, edit account settings, update the phone field, and save. Then repeat verification to ensure synchronization. Finalize by removing the old number and confirming your recovery email and backup methods are current so you can regain access later. If you don't receive a code, wait 5 to 10 minutes and request another, check Signal, or use the Authenticator app alternative. If you're blocked from changing the number, use Account Recovery Flow or contact Microsoft support directly, providing requested identity proof. This resolves locked accounts while protecting your security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.